Hi students, in before video I told you trigonometric ratios. Now I explain in easy method. To this angle, BC is the opposite side. So this is called opposite side to theta. For right angle, AC is hypotenuse and AB is beside to theta. So adjacent side to theta. Now again, orange, apple, orange. Healthy, anyone. Orange means what? O. Apple means A. Orange means O. Healthy means what? H. Healthy means what? H. Anyone means what? A. Now what is meaning of this one? Sin theta. Sin theta is equal to O by H. Cos theta is equal to A by H. Tan theta is equal to O by A. Opposite side by adjacent side. Now cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. Cosecant theta is reciprocal of sin theta. H by O. H by A. A by O. But don't read as 0. Read as O. Simply what is meaning of this one? Orange, apple, orange. Healthy, apple. Understand? Now formula. From above figure, we can write minimum 5 formulas for 10th class syllabus. First one, sin theta into, sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin reciprocal cosecant, hypotenuse by opposite side. That's value equal to, for example, sin value 2 by 3, cosecant value 3 by 2. 2 by 3 into 3 by 2. Value ఎంత అవుతుంది మనకి? Second one, cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1. ఇది జస్ట్ జూమ్ చేయండి. నీట్గా ఇలా చెప్తాను. Third one, tan theta into cot theta is equal to, these formulas are right or wrong, just verify from above definitions. Sin theta means what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Cosecant theta means what? Hypotenuse by opposite side. Second one, cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Secant means what? Hypotenuse by adjacent side. Both are cancelled. That value also 1. Third one, opposite side by adjacent side. Cot, adjacent side by opposite side. That's value also 1. Now fourth one, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Now verify. Sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse whole by adjacent side by hypotenuse. Both are cancelled. Fifth one, cot theta is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. Formula cos theta by sin theta. Now verify here. A by h by O by h. H is cancelled. A by O. Cot theta before 6 degrees and you have checked there. Tan theta means A by O by A. Cot theta means A by O. These 5 formulas are very helpful to trigonometry. Understand? For exercise 1, you have to learn what is the meaning of Pythagoras statement and what are the trigonometric ratios. Are 2 topics వస్తే exercise 1 అయిపోయినట్టే. What is Pythagoras statement? Hypotenuse whole square is equal to side square plus side square. What are the trigonometric ratios? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. Those definitions you can easily understand from one given one small trick. Orange, apple, orange, healthy, anyone. ఆ బాక్స్ 3 పార్ట్స్గా డివైడ్ చేసుకుంటే సైన్ థీటా, కాస్ థీటా, ట్యాన్ థీటా వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. అవి రెసిప్రోకల్ చేసినప్పుడు కొసెకంట్ థీటా, సీకంట్ థీటా, కాట్ థీటా వచ్చేస్తాయి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ట్రిక్ నేమ్? ఆరెంజ్, యాపిల్, ఆరెంజ్, healthy, anyone. Now explain some examples. What are the use of trigonometric ratios? If given any trigonometric ratio, we can find remaining all trigonometric ratios, and also we can find in any right angle triangle unknown sides and the angles. If tan theta is equal to 3/4, find remaining all trigonometric ratios. Solution. Tan theta value 3/4 given. So what we have to find? Remaining all sin theta, cos theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. ట్రిగనోమెట్రీలో ఏదైనా రేషియో ఫైండ్ చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ మెథడ్ ఏంటి? జామెట్రికల్ మెథడ్. అండ్ పైథాగరస్ స్టేట్మెంట్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని వాల్యూస్ ఫైండ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఫైండ్ చేయాలని డిఫరెంట్ మెథడ్స్ ఉంటాయి. అందులో ఫ్రమ్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 1 యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ జామెట్రికల్ మెథడ్ విచ్ ఈస్ పైథాగరస్ స్టేట్మెంట్. ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 4 వచ్చేసరికి మీకు ఏ మోడల్ వస్తే ఆ మోడల్ నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. ఫార్ములా బేస్డ్ యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, జామెట్రికల్ మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. నౌ టు ఫైండ్ ద ఎనీ trigonometric ratio, we have to take only one right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. Angle A, angle B and angle C. Already we know angle B. So we take theta at A or C. For this theta, BC is the opposite side. So this is called opposite side to theta. For right angle, AC is the opposite side. It is called hypotenuse. The remaining side is called adjacent side. Simply we take the opposite sides. Right angle ki opposite side enti hypotenuse. Theta ki opposite side enti BC. Third side, middle point side enti avutundi adjacent side. Now in the problem, right angle is not given. So we take let ABC is a right angle triangle. and angle B is equal to 90 degrees. The problem, given tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. Tan theta means what? Trigonometric ratio. The ratio can be also written as fraction. Now this means what? Numerator is 3, denominator is 4. 3 means what? We taken here ratios, so that value we take as parts. Numerator is 3 parts, denominator is 4 parts. Where? In the tan theta. Generally, what is meaning of tan theta? From above definitions, opposite side by adjacent side. For this theta, BC is the opposite side, AB is the adjacent side. So theta के opposite side ఏంటి? BC. Adjacent side ఏంటి? AB. Is equal to 3 by 4. This is called trigonometric ratio. In the ratio, we take the numbers in terms of parts. It is 3 parts, it is 4 parts. So BC is equal to 3 parts. 3 in some part. Part means some value. We don't know that's value. Take as K, P, any letter. And AB is equal to 4 parts. Here we know AB value and also we know BC value. We don't know AC value. Either right angle triangle లో 2 sides తెలిసి థర్డ్ సైడ్ తెలియకపోతే పైథాగరస్ స్టేట్మెంట్ యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. వాట్ ఈస్ యూజ్ ఆఫ్ పైథాగరస్ స్టేట్మెంట్? టు ఫైండ్ ఎనీ అన్నోన్ సైడ్ ఇన్ రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఇఫ్ గివెన్ 2 sides. ఇక్కడ 2 sides వాల్యూ తెలుసు, థర్డ్ సైడ్ కావాలంటే పైథాగరస్ స్టేట్మెంట్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. సో ఫ్రమ్ పైథాగరస్ స్టేట్మెంట్ what is Pythagoras statement? Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. So we don't know AC. AC square. AB value to 4K plus 3K whole square. AC square 16K square, 4 square and K square. It is in the form of AB whole power m, A power m into B power m plus 9K square. So AC square is equal to 25K square. AC is equal to square root 25. Square after is equal to square root. It is 5K whole square. 25 means what? 5 square. K square means what? K whole square. AC is equal to 5K. Now we know third side also. Before from tan theta we know AB and BC. From Pythagoras statement we find out AC. Now up to this step we know all sides, so we can find remaining all ratios. First one, sin theta. What is meaning of sin theta? Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Theta के opposite side ఏంటి? BC. Hypotenuse ఏంటి? AC. BC by AC. Cos theta. What is meaning of cos theta? Adjacent side to theta. Theta के adjacent side ఏంటి? AB. Hypotenuse ఏంటి? AC. Sin theta. BC by AC. BC means what? BC value 3K by 5K. So 3 by 5. AB 4K by 5K. 4 by 5. Next one, tan theta is given already. What next one? Cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is reciprocal of sin. You choose answer as such. Secant theta is reciprocal of cos. కాస్ థీటా నుండి సీకెంట్ థీటా రాయొచ్చు. కాట్ థీటా ఈజ్ రెసిప్రోకల్ ఆఫ్ tan. Reciprocal means what? In a fraction the numerator becomes denominator becomes numerator. అంటే interchange the numerator and the denominator. AC by BC 5k by 3k is equal to 5 by 3. AC by AB 5k by 4k is equal to 5 by 4. Cot tan theta 3 by 4. 4k cot theta means what? Adjacent side by opposite side. BC. Moved by just listen. Simply how to write the opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse. Right angle की opposite side ఏంటి hypotenuse. theta की opposite side ఏంటి opposite side. అప్పుడు రిమైనింగ్ సైడ్ ఏంటి అవుతుంది adjacent side. అంటే ఇందులో 2 opposite sides ఉంటాయి. ఆ రిమైనింగ్ ఏంటి అవుతుంది adjacent side. Understand? If you know this problem, you can find out remaining all problems in exercise 1. Understand? ఈ ప్రాబ్లం అర్థమైతే 90% చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే. ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 11.1 ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఇన్ రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ABC అంటే ఒక రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ABC ఇచ్చాడు. 8 cm, 15 cm and 17 cm lengths of the sides. ఈ ప్రాబ్లంలో 3 sides ఇచ్చాడు. బిఫోర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్లో 2 sides ఇస్తే థర్డ్ సైడ్ ఫైండ్ చేసాం. ఇందులో 3 sides ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి డైరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చింది. రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ట్రిగోనోమెట్రీలో మీరు ఏ ప్రాబ్లం చేయాలన్నా రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఇచ్చేయాలి. జస్ట్ ఇన్ ద ప్రాబ్లం గివెన్ రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్. ఇన్ కేస్ క్వశ్చన్లో ఇవ్వకపోతే మీరు ఓన్గా బిఫోర్ సమ్ మోడల్లో తీసుకోవాలి. వాట్ ఇస్ గివెన్ రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్? ABC ఈజ్ ఏ రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్. ఓకే. రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఇచ్చాడు. రైట్ యాంగిల్ ఎక్కడో మెన్షన్ చేయలేదు. ఒక రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఇచ్చాడు. AB 8 cm, BC 15 cm, AC 17 cm. రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఇచ్చాడు. రైట్ యాంగిల్ ఎక్కడో చెప్పలేదు. సో వాట్ విల్ యూ డూ? What is the longest side? AC. In a right angle triangle, longest side is called hypotenuse. So this is called hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? AC. So what is the other vertex? This is called vertex. It is B. What is meaning of hypotenuse? The side which is opposite to right angle. So right angle is here angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Now substitute the mention the values. AB 8 centimeters, BC 15 centimeters, AC 17 centimeters. In this problem we know all 3 sides, so we can find out directly sin, cos and tan. Sin A. Second one, cos A. Third one, tan A. In the before problem, we taken theta. Theta ki opposite side, adjacent side rayali. Ee problem angle A ichadu. So don't mention theta in this problem, in this figure also. What is meaning of sin theta? Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. But given here sin A, opposite side to A ki opposite side ante BC by hypotenuse ante AC. So 15 by 17. Cos A, adjacent side to A, angle A ki adjacent side ante avutundi AB. hypotenuse ఏంటి AC. 8 by 17. Tan A opposite side to A by adjacent side to A. Adjacent side to A. These are the three trigonometric ratios. If you want remaining three, cosecant, secant and the part. Cosecant is reciprocal of sin, so 17 by 15. Secant is reciprocal of cos, so 17 by 8. Cot is reciprocal of tan, so 8 by 15. Understand? Okay, thank you.